Okay, look at the first letter of your name. Point to it. Good. Now, can you find that letter over here? Yep, that's letter D. Very good. Okay, now look, what's the next one? That's E. Can you find E? That's right. Very good. Okay. Oh, yep, L is next. That's right. L. Okay, now look, what's this one? That's I. Yep. No, look at the next one. That's an L. Find the L. Make sure you're getting the right one. There you go. That's right. Now look, this is A. Oops. There you go. Find A. Yep. Very good. And the last one is called H. That's okay. There you go. Good job. Hang on. Spell it with me. D E L I L A H. Now take a bow. You did a good job. Very good, Smarty Pants. Good trying. Okay.